When you use the reshape tool with your slabs, why aren't the handles all in the right place? Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching Vectorworks for over 30 years now, and this is something that's come up recently where someone's created a slab, and the problem with the slab is that when they go to the reshape tool, they can't edit it. Not like this one. This one you can go directly to any part and you can edit that slab directly. This slab has a polygon which is linked to the shape of the slab. This one is not. So if we go into this one and we have a look at editing the boundary or editing the modifiers, you can see that this shape was actually created by using something else. What are these shapes? If I delete them, what happens to my slab? It's lost all of its shape. So how did it get there? Let me show you. There's a tool here called the clip tool. Really cool, really useful, and you can use it to clip pieces of your slab away, and it works really well. But the problem with that is that those are modifiers. They don't change the original underlying polygon. So how does that work? Well, when we go into this and we go to the reshape tool, you'll see that we don't see the handles, not like this one. And the reason for that is that we've got modifiers, and these are the modifiers. So what's the solution? Well, the quick answer is don't do that. But what if you've already done it? How do you fix this if someone's already done this to your slab? Here's my trick. Select the slab, make a copy. So you're going to use the Option or the Alt click, and you're going to make a copy one on top of the other. And notice I've got two of them now. You can see my asterisk telling me I've got two. I'm now going to convert that to a group. So modify, convert to group, and it turns that back into a polygon. Now that's a polygon. I can right click and I can create objects from shapes. It's now a slab. Just assign the correct slab style to it, and then it will replace the one you had before. Now the slab that you started with, don't forget you're still going to need to use the J click. Find the slab at the bottom, delete it, and get rid of the polygon as well. So select both of them, OK, delete, and now we've just got the one slab. Now if I go back to the reshape tool, you can see that those handles are in the right place. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to become a member of my community. This is the sort of stuff we cover on our weekly catch-up sessions, going into the detail of how to solve your Vectorworks problems and how to make sure that you use Vectorworks in the most effective way possible. Catch you later.